Welcome to another exciting episode of Train Trackers.
Definitely.
We're here on Mount Asphalt, where we're going to get a higher view of this fast CSX train. Boy, we had a hard time getting ahead of this thing.
23 on the radar gun.
You know, we're always filming from here, but it's one of our favorite spots. It really is.
And we're up high.
Yeah, so, you know, can't really complain. It's all about the train, isn't it? Boy, the bugs are bad tonight, though.
We were just at a pond.
Yeah, well, it's almost twilight here.
I can see nothing from right here.
You're gonna see it pretty soon.
Oh, I hear him.
It's coming, buddy. Big time.
Like he's going like.
This is our first train sighting in 4K, buddy.
4K?
Yeah. Gotta like that, folks. Gonna start shooting all of our videos in 4K.
He's on the second train. Trying to slow down.
A little bit. Been a while, buddy. I haven't heard a train honk in about a month. I didn't miss that sound, though. Emmalou. We got Emmalou in the background over here. Looks like some dumpsters or something.
It looks like bustling. And look at it's one wheel connected to another wheel connected to another wheel for one car.
Hey, that's pretty wild. I don't think we've ever seen anything like that. I know, is he slowing down or what? That's an awful lot of braking.
Somebody stopped
at the other side, yeah. Emmalou, doing some mountain climbing over here. You don't want to fall off Asphalt Mountain, do you? Get more than bruised knees, folks. You'd need the whole darn box of Band-Aids for that one.
Still see the engine. But not anymore. It's longer than I expected.
Looks like we got 2 cars waiting over there now.
Oh, cool.
They better hope it doesn't stop.
And then it just stops. It's slowing down a little.
Look at that.
Whoa. That is cool. Until it's nighttime. Thank God it's not dark.
No, we don't need your eyes getting all devilly.
We got 3 cars now. Nobody's here.
Well, good. We don't want them blocking our view, do we?
Oh, he turned around and went back up.
Probably. He said that thing's too slow. Oh, I thought we had another engine there for a second.
Why does it look like he's slowing down but picking up? I feel like I'm gonna.
It's always a tricky portion of the track right here, because you never know what the train's gonna do. Emily, be careful over there.
They usually stop before the car, but sometimes they stop on the.
This is a long one. It's probably gonna be dark before the end comes.
That looks like another end. Oh, and I found the end. The end's coming. No engine at the end. Finally! They've been waiting long enough. We gotta let them through.
There you go. There she blows, buddy.
Bye, bye.
Looks like Emma fell and hurt her butt on Asphalt Mountain. I warned you. Sorry, Emma Lou. You need a Band-Aid? Really? I think she's just cranky. She was cranky before we pulled over.
Well, she actually, she ate a whole thing of chocolate.
Yeah, she ate a lot of chocolate. All right, we're going to have to administer first aid with Emma. But in the meantime, check out some of these sightings.
Yep. There's some weird things on the tracks. I'm wondering what they are.
I don't know. Maybe they tell the guys that work for the railroad how many trains come through here a day. Look at this. We got a long shot of this guy.
I mean, there's stuff up at the track, so maybe.
Got the train going under the bridge up there. Look at all the steam fumes coming from the engine over there. Got a little variety here. Nice fall colors in the background. Got the full season of train tracking. Everybody's probably wondering, where have we been? We've been busy.
Not doing train tracks.
We got a few the last couple weeks, buddy. We're getting back into it.
We've gotten a few special ones lately.
Yeah, you gotta give it to us. That Amtrak was pretty sweet.
And it was the Pan Am engines are like coming back.
I don't know. I think that CSX bought Pan Am, so that looks like an old car right there.
Pan Am and the doors open.
Yeah. Wow, this train is a lot longer than I thought it was. What do we have coming down here? This looks a little different. Looks like a portalet.
Oh, we got one of those special ones. Here's a few flat ones.
Look at that. Just like the little full color. Got some dumpsters.
It's so long. There's a middle one at the top.
Look at that one's leaking. Looks like the end's in sight, folks.
That one's old. Signal's yellow, so maybe another one. Just warning it.
We got a slow CSX we're tracking this morning.
Unexpected.
Unexpected, kinda. I think you knew we were gonna go train
It's
tracking
the second
today.
track. That means mostly it will stop.
Oh yeah? Well,
Sometimes it stops on the second track.
doesn't seem like he's going too fast.
And he's going insane. It's not gonna stop. He's probably going like 20. There's no way he's stopping it. It's a heavy load.
It's always nice to get a higher view of these trains. Looks like this one's empty, buddy.
Yeah, but some of them are like full. Look. Right there. See, there's a bunch of logs on it.
Looks like we got some sidings, some lumber. There's some new green cars. It's about time we got some new cars. They need to start painting these old ones.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, he's not stopping. I heard Tom.
Nah, I think you're right. He's just cruising on a Sunday. You want to hop on there?
No.
We could probably jump into that train car right there.
Yeah, and then I'll break my leg trying to jump.
You might break a bone or two, but you'd have to jump now. And then you'd roll into the back of the car.
Maybe if it was soft inside, maybe I would.
Yeah, well, in real life, you would get hurt. In the movies, you would be able to kill 20 guys after with no problems. Oh, we got a car coming. I'm going to get over here a little bit. Let's watch out. Don't need to get run over. Whoops, sorry folks. A little shaky there with the camera. She's a long one, buddy.
Yeah, long.
We're gonna have to start doing videos where we count train cars. Or we have the audience count them, and the first one that gets the correct answer, maybe
It's $10.
$10.
Yeah.
Are you coughing it up out of your piggy bank, or?
No, I don't have that.
Yeah, well, I don't know. We're thinking about making some t-shirts, train tracking t-shirts. Maybe we'll do something like that.
We've been wanting to do them, but my mom does not want to make them.
Well, unfortunately, I don't think we're allowed to leave comments, so we probably wouldn't be able to do it anyway. Hey, here comes the ending.
Oh.
3 engines pulled all them cars.
Have like a million horsepower for one engine.
All right, watch the crossing. You look good. Following it along.
It's out.
Boy, it'd be nice to film from that bridge over there, huh? Looks like there's a road that goes up there. We might have to pull down here one day, and we'll walk up there and film from under the bridge. That looks like
Why
a
does it
nice
sound like
place.
there's another engine? Way in the distance.
There's a farm up the road. Actually, that's the same train. You hear that from up the road. It's fall now. It's starting to, the leaves are starting to fall, so we can hear trains a lot easier.
Including at our house. I hear a
Yes.
train and I'm like,
Let's
try and go.
Dad. All right, let's see if we can track a few more trains.
Yep. He's going decent. He might sound slow, but he's actually going a
He
little
makes an awful lot of noise. We've heard him rumbling for like 20 minutes.
He's faster than the other one.
Uh-oh, is this gonna be another one of those boxcar trains where we're gonna see just car carriers?
Yep.
must be another engine in the back pushing it. There's no way two engines are pulling all these cars. Imagine if we did a train tracking show with just these car carrier cars. How boring would that be? Wow, two engines pulled all those. Are you sure they're full? Sounds like they're falling over in there. Well, not one of the most exciting train sightings, but hey, counts, right?
Yep.
All right, let's go see if we can't find a few more exciting trains on this episode.
And as the train went on, I saw that the couplers were going. That's what the bang bang was. It was going.
Oh yeah? This guy gonna try to be a hero? Yes, he is. Running the signals. Do not try that at home.
Don't try that. Don't try it at home. Never try it.
That's right, buddy.
That's right.
Holy cow!
No.
Are you kidding me?
Six engines.
Wow!
Six engines.
I guess it isn't too slow. Have we ever seen 6 engines?
No, and there were two different. Three different.
Well, I guess it's a good thing we tracked this one down. Emma Lou, stop banging on the door. Crazy pig.
He's going fast. That's the first time we ever saw those kind of engines before.
It must be a long one if there's that many engines. It'll probably be dark by the time this thing gets through these crossings. Wow, couple new cars. Oh, Emma Lou, button it.
Don't these fat cars about good.
It's unbelievable. We got a variety of different cars here.
This train's dancing.
thought he wasn't waving at you. Here, move up this way a little bit. There you go. There she goes, buddy. Wow. Out of here.
My eardrums are gone.
I know. Can you believe that? That was probably one of the longest and most variety of cars.
I want to go see those engines again.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
I don't know.
Wow, nice job. All right, that's going to do it for this episode of Train Trackers. Until next time.
Don't lose track.